Sure.
And I love to ask this question to a majority of the guests, and that is, what's the number one reason why the majority of traders lose money and never reach a high level of success, in your opinion?
Well, I'll have to just give an answer because I could probably think about this for days and come up with it, but or I might give a mixed answer. One is there's traders enter the market with a lot of confidence because they're either smart, so they may be more intelligent than a lot of their peers, family, or friends. And so they look at the trading market and say, okay, most people fail at this. However, I'm generally smarter. I have good head on my shoulders. When I try to understand something, I do well with it. And I'm also passionate about it. So they say, well, I have what it takes because most of my friends, they're just not even interested. So if they try, they'd probably fail. So I'm probably well suited for success because I have other success in my life. Or I've seen very successful businessmen and investors that in the markets that come to trading, and they get a negative feedback from the market, meaning they lose money, and they approach it the same way they would approach anything else in their life. If it's sports and you're losing, you just practice harder and you try harder and you learn more, and through sheer effort, you're going to be able to improve yourself and get better results. In business, you can work longer hours and you can cut your prices and you can make decisions that you control how you're going to fix it. And you get positive results from that in other areas of your life because you overcome what's going on and you make it work. And traders, those that are attracted to trading, often have that mentality and characteristic. Then you come to the market, and you have to learn very, very quickly that your willpower has no place in the markets. Your willpower to say, I am going to hang on to this trade until I'm right. I'm going to will this system to work. I'm going to will this trade to work. And you just say, I know I'm going to be right. And you take that approach to the market. The worst thing that can happen is that you get rewarded for that a few times. So you call the top in something that's high flying or up big for the day. You call the top and it drops right away. You say, oh, that's great. I should have taken a bigger size. Then it happens again and you do it again, a little bigger size. And, oh, that was great.